With a stable downtrend like this, we have great conditions to easily place a declined Fibonacci channel, which captures some clear and key reversal areas. And because the chart moved down in such a well-defined channel, there are multiple choices on how to position the channel, but overall there's no major difference between these choices. This would of course not be a good option since it does not follow the clear structure of the defined channel, and the area between the Fibonacci channel lines is too narrow. Also, it's better to have the extension channel lines face up and to the right side to get better coverage of the chart as it moves in a more neutral to bullish fashion, following the break over the upper boundary of the original channel. There can also be similar results with the first 2 points of the channel based on the downtrend line at the lower boundary of the channel, and the third point of the Fibonacci channel at the highs of the peak that formed from just before the clear channel began. Of course, there will be contact with different areas compared to the previous versions of the Fibonacci channel we tried. Now to a completely different chart and market. Clear swing points during a defined uptrend provide another example where the extension channel lines beyond the 0 to 1 range can keep up with a sharp acceleration like this. Naturally, stronger resistance is to be expected and allows for the opportunity to have sharp retracements that can even lead to a more significant downtrend that will be opposed by more support potential upon dropping into the 0 to 1 range of the Fibonacci channel, in turn leading to consolidation ranges becoming more common. However, that does not mean the downtrend is guaranteed to be halted and reversed. Now that the influence of those previous inclines is definitely broken, attention can be placed on a declined Fibonacci channel, which can be narrower and based entirely on the more well-defined downward channel portion of this downtrend, or like in previous examples, it can be wider and have the third point based at more significant and longer-term reversal areas such as these. So as usual, there are multiple options and variations, and not simply just one correct way to place a Fibonacci channel.